My dear students, now we are going to discuss personal pronouns in this class. So, personal pronouns means the pronouns which are relating to persons. All the persons in the world, we can divide them into three parts. First person, second person, third person. First person means the person who is speaking is called first person. Second person means the person with whom we are speaking. That person or persons are called second person. About whom we are discussing, those are called third person. So, first person, second person, third person. Three persons are there. Three persons have three cases: subject case, possessive case, object case. Apart from all these things and other cases also we are going to discuss reflexive pronouns, emphatic pronouns and reciprocal pronouns, all those things. Now we are going to discuss first personal pronouns. Pronouns. First person, second person and third person. Now, first person, subject case. Now, object case. Third one, possessive case. Now we are going to discuss. First person is called I. First person, singular. This is called singular. Every person has singular and plural. Plural is we. And the second person, singular and plural. Both are same only. You. Here also you. Third person, singulars. Three are there. He, she, it. So third person plural. They. So now each one has three cases: subject case, object case, possessive case. Now, what is the object case of I? I object case is me. Possessive cases two are there. One is my, another one is mine. Now, plural. Every person has singular and plural. What is the plural? Subject case we. What is the object case of the plural of first personal pronoun? First person we. Object case is us. Possessive case is our and ours. Now, second person, personal pronoun, second person is you. Object case also you. Plural, object case you. Possessive case your. Another possessive case yours. Now, here also same. Your, yours. So, here for every person, singular is there, plural is there. For singular, subject case, object case, possessive case. For plural also, subject case, possessive case, object case. Subject case means already I told you, verb before whatever the noun, pronoun we use, that is called subject case. Whatever the noun or pronoun we use after verb, that is called object case. Here, possessive case we can use before the subject and before the verb and after verb also. Example sentences now we are going to learn. Now, he. Object case is him. Possessive case one only. His. Already yes. Sa sound is there. Again, his we can't write. It seems to be awkward. Now she, object case, her. Possessive case also her. Another possessive case hers. Now here it, object case is it, possessive case is its. Only one only. So here they, object case them, here possessive case their, and another one is theirs. Two cases we can write. Now we can separate like this: subject case, possessive case, object case under possessive case. Now here also this is singular, these are plurals. Here singular plural same only, but here this is singular, these are plurals. Now these are the three cases of personal pronouns. The usage of all these pronouns we are going to learn one by one. My dear students, now here we are going to use the pronouns first persons in a sentence. I met my friend yesterday. For example, if you see here, this is called subject case, first person. Subject case we have to use before verb only. This one we should not use here. Rare cases we can use, later we can discuss. My friend, my is a possessive case. My friend we use after object here. But subject case compulsorily we have to use in front of the verb only. All the subject cases of three personal pronouns we have to use before the verb only. For example, you called me day before yesterday. If you see here, you subject case, here subject case, and here me, this is verb. Me, object case of the first person, me. That means object cases we have to use after verb only. We should not use object cases before the verb. Now here, possessive case we use it after verb. Before the verb also possessive cases we can use. See here, my friend sent me a gift. If you see here, my friend, this is verb. Possessive case is there. We can use before the verb also. So, my dear students, here what you have to understand is subject case should be used before the verb only. Object case we have to use after the verb only. But possessive cases are there. All these possessive cases we can use after the verb and before the verb also. My friend sent me a gift. See here. You wrote letter to your friend. If you see here, passive case your, after verb it is used. Here this is subject case. Actually you, subject case and object case both are same only. That's why it seems to be object case also. Don't be confused. Before the verb we have to use subject case. Possessive case we can use after the verb and before the verb also. For example, see here. Your friend went to Hyderabad last week. So here your friend, your possessive case, it is used before the verb. Here it is used after the verb and here it is used before the verb. So my dear students, you should understand that subject cases should be used before the verb only. Object cases should be used after the verb. But possessive cases we can use before the subject and after the before the verb and after the verb. Here also before the verb, here after the verb. And now come to the possessive case, another one is there. The book is mine. The book is mine. Here this one also possessive case. We used here after the verb. See here, mine is on the table. Mine means my book. Already we are discussing book. That's why at that situation, if you know about which we are discussing, then possessive case also means this mine second form also we can use before the subject. Here it is before the verb. Here it is used after the verb. Here it is used before the verb. In the same way, yours is in the bag. That means about book we are discussing. Yours means your book is in the bag. So yours possessive case we can use before the verb also. In that way, my dear students, subject case, possessive case, object case, three are there for personal pronouns. This is first person plural. This is second person, it is plural. Here third persons, three are there. We are discussing the persons not in front of us or away from us. That means distance, some distance is there. We can separate, we two members are talking, we can separate some members. Suppose one boy, one girl, one animal is there. We two members are talking and they are beside us. Then we can call that boy means he, that girl means she, that animal means it. Like that, when two persons are talking, remaining persons we can take as a third person. Boy is there he, man is there he, woman or girl is there she, animal or any article is there, it we have to use in place of that animal. That is called pronoun. For example, a plural form is there. All together we can call they. One boy, two boys are there. More than two, they we can call. More than two girls, they we can call. Animals also, they we can call. In that way, for one person, he. More than one girl, they. So singular, third persons means he, she, two, three are there, and a plural form is there. So subject cases should be used before the verb, and object cases should be used after the verb. But possessive cases we can use before the subject and after the subject also. So these are the examples which express how to use different types of these personal pronouns in our sentences. My dear students, I hope you understood all these sentences, particularly regarding to personal pronouns, and go through it once again and try to understand it. Thank you one and all. Please share it and subscribe it and like it if you like this video. Thank you one and all.